Hello friends, in this video we have to learn the names of Indian states. There are 28 states in India. They are, the first one is Andhra Pradesh, the second one Arunachal Pradesh, third Assam, fourth Bihar, fifth Chhattisgarh, sixth Goa, seventh Gujarat, eighth Haryana, ninth Himachal Pradesh, 10th Jharkhand, 11th Karnataka, 12th Kerala, 13 Madhya Pradesh, 14 Maharashtra, 15 Manipur, 16 Meghalaya, 17 Mizoram, 18 Nagaland, 19 Odisha, 20 Punjab, 21 Rajasthan, 22 Sikkim, 23 Tamil Nadu, 24 Telangana, 25 Tripura, 26 Uttar Pradesh, 27 Uttarakhand, 28 West Bengal. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.